Welcome to this video, guys. I'm making some beautiful perfumed candles at home today. If you love to decorate your home with candles and wanted to try some easy DIY candle making projects, then this 3 minutes video will definitely get you started. We can make this kind of candles very easily at home within 5 minutes, and the things required to make them are very much available at the local market or at Amazon. I have given the link of the items required to make these candles in the description box of this video. Do check them. So the first thing we require is a solid wax bar, then some candle wicks, gel wax. This kind of gel wax are found in different colors like white, yellow, red. We can use any common glass containers with wide open mouth for the base of these candles, but just have to make sure that the glass is thick enough to resist the hot wax. We can use any aroma oil to add some fragrance as per our personal choice. And then we need some decoratives as per our preferences. I have used cells and some mini artificial flowers and leaves. But you can use anything like a small doll or a miniature Taj Mahal to decorate the candle. Then we need to pour some clean normal water to fill up 2/3 of the glass container. Now in a very low flame, I am heating up the gel wax in a very old West utensil. But be very careful while doing this because this wax, specifically the gel wax, are highly inflammable and often catches fire for overheating. So please keep close eyes while heating this up. Remove the bowl from the gas immediately as you see that the gel has melted to a semi-liquid state. Then we need to slowly pour this liquid wax on top of the water in the glass. I'm adding the wax wick in the candle. You can add 1 or 2 drops of the aroma oil on this candle now. And our candle is now ready to be lighted. See how the flowers and the pebbles are moving inside the water in the glass. I have put 2 layers of wax. One is the gel wax, another one is the solid white wax on top of it, and this completely seals up the water. So please try this DIY project at your home and share the pictures of the candles in the comment section below. That's all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell icon so that you get notifications for all the videos that I upload every Sunday.